In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign a DocuSign document. By the end, you'll be able to complete a signature request quickly, confidently, and without any guesswork. First, open the email you received from DocuSign and click the link inside to open the document. Only open messages from trusted senders, and if you don't see it in your inbox, check your spam or promotions folder. The link will launch the document in your browser so you can review and sign. Before you begin, you'll see a prompt to use electronic records and signatures. Check the box that says, "I agree to use electronic records and signatures," then click Continue. This is simply granting consent to sign digitally, which is legally recognized in many regions. Once the document is open, click the Start tag. DocuSign will jump you to the first place that needs your attention, so you don't have to hunt around. When you arrive at a signature or initial field, click the Sign or Initial tag. A small window will appear asking you to adopt your signature. Here, you can pick a pre-designed style, draw your signature with your mouse or finger, or upload an image of your actual signature. If you upload, use a clear, high-contrast image on a plain background so it looks crisp. Double check that your name and initials are spelled correctly. When you're happy, click Adopt and Sign to apply it to the document. DocuSign will guide you through any remaining required fields, highlighting each one in order. You can scroll to review the content as you go. If something doesn't look right, pause and contact the sender before finishing. If you prefer using your phone, you can sign directly in the DocuSign mobile app or in your mobile browser. The process is the same. I've placed the official website link and the app download links right at the top of the description so you can access them quickly. When you're done, click Finish at the top or bottom of the screen. That completes the signing. A copy will be saved to your DocuSign account if you have one, and you can also download the completed document immediately for your records. If you need to sign on paper instead, choose Other Actions and select Print and Sign. You'll print the document, sign it by hand, and follow the on-screen steps to upload it back so the sender receives a completed copy. That's all there is to it. Open the email, agree and continue, start, sign, adopt your signature, and finish. Thanks for watching.